Have you ever broken a waist bead before it's time? That's okay, because I have the perfect solution for you. With the Knick Knack Fit Repair Kit, you can fix any waist bead that you ever had with ease. All you have to do is unravel the string, pull out the needle, and get to beading. Now with this repair kit, there's two ways that you can restring your broken waist bead. First way would be to push the beads towards the edge of the string and actually put the needle inside of the bead before it reaches the end of the broken string, and push your needle inside of the bead and then transfer it that way. This way, I think it's the easiest. That way you're not dropping any beads on the floor, and then it will automatically transfer from the needle to the string and it'll be good to go. That's pretty much it when it comes to restringing your waist bead. The second way to restring it is pulling the beads off of the old waist bead and reapplying them to the new string. All you're doing is following the pattern that's already made on your old waist bead and just reapplying it to the new string. I tend to cut off the excess string from the broken waist bead so I can get to the beads quicker. And that's pretty much it. I go through the same process the entire way, and once I'm done, I just cut off the excess string that's attached to the needle and I reapply my waist bead. If you are using our string, you must use either our glue or some nail glue to help seal the knot close and lock it in. And just like that, we are re-waisted.